Yeah, man, this is Public Report, and as I always say, you can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, as I say, me go just drop episode 1 and 2 of me and me Fatty, one place where you can watch it. Cause some people always say to me, say, me watch episode 1, but me can't find episode 2. So guess something I do for you? Me I put it together one place. Me want to shoot episode 3, but based on, getting stuff together and, availability again, me have to just, pause for a little bit. Don't vex with me. Hey, me don't want you vex with me, You hear me say? All right. So guess what now? Me I put it together just for you to watch it, enjoy the movie, share it, and all them something because enough people don't like me. Watch episode 1 and I search for episode 2 far down so. You understand? Somebody just put it right there's a phone. So yeah, you can tell me thanks a little bit. Alright? So big up on yourself and love again and watch it, enjoy.
Just subscribe yet.
Game.
What you talking about?
Chuck, I don't even know if I call it right now, Because me get sick and tired of this. But now hide and talk, I get sick and tired of it. Me tired of it, man.
Listen, hold on. Me down for my face now. See? Why? Because I spend half my money on you. You and me spending money on yummy food them. See? So listen me I say to you, because I don't have nothing right now. Me I get a big work, babe. Me supposed to get a big job. Oh, you don't believe me I get a big job?
When you get a big job then?
Me supposed to get it like, cause
you didn't even know when you forget the job.
Yeah, because that's a construction worker.
Construction work alone there? You can't go to a supermarket go put
I'm not putting no bag.
Me
no depend on Rasta upon a merchandise business.
Okay, sit down.
Cause then
this not go work. Me tell her if I know it not go work. Me tell her it not go work.
What do you mean it not go work? So we work perfect and everything nice.
It not work perfect. You not help me with the house. So that if I say get up and wash up, you do dirty plate and nothing what I tell you that do. You not help me buy
yeah,
food.
Man, me can't. Me not supposed to wash up plate.
You not do nothing you know.
What do you mean? So want to know?
Every day you see ya.
Yeah, because me wait for the card to come in for them tell me say boy contract ready.
Yeah, get it?
It's soon come in.
For last month, me say it soon come and know it can't.
Yeah, because I saw it going people are getting them 1 and 2 together.
You don't know about that. See, the other day when my friend want work and he go do interview today and then come not 3 day time. What happened to you? What happened to you, so?
See, you mean if you tell me, say, you doubt me? And you doubt the possibility of what
listen
can happen? Listen me, I say. Yes, when we get through the work, we life set, And that me I talk about. We're gonna make a move out of that place here. I'm gonna buy everything nice. You know that me promise you already.
How long do you have to promise me that?
3 months now, so
okay.
what?
3 months. Look with me.
We are go through, we are live.
What
do you mean life?
We we have life, yes, but if we don't have food for them, water bill have to pay, light bill have to pay, everything me have to borrow money, me have a little bit of money when me have in pocket to say yes, my friend them a go for one beach or something. Me can't go. Me have to think about to buy food for me and your yam. That I don't understand.
So how this come up now as a problem? I was somebody you got chat to?
No, me not talk to nobody. But me a come in look while and it just pop up in me because me have come and me see you on the phone. See ya.
Yeah, because me relax my mind, me and wait.
Yeah, make money for the phone. By playing game, yeah, make money.
You know what me gonna do?
If I get not even go there for try, say, alright, me I go pick up 2 buckler and pull 2 crates and go sell it and carry it.
Me?
Go buy 2.
What kind of money you take Rasta for idiot?
That's hard work in your
No, not for work.
If you just sit down so and I wait for somebody to get work in and go come.
Me no sit down. Me say
look what me they work.
Listen.
Don't not Chinese. Why you can't make me put in one little good work for you and you come then I Chinese come push to Charlie.
Every day you come at your yard, you cuss how Chinese you take you for fool.
At least me still get money and to help out with all.
Yeah, but me I tell you some my thing, me just wait for the proper contract. The contract I start out, you know.
Me not see that the contract there.
You can't see it because you don't see it yet. You know, believe, you see, alright, you know what me gonna do? Me know,
this not go work. That's how me have to say. I don't talk. It not go work, so you have to go.
See, I give up on me then.
And I like say me I give up on you, I want to give up on you.
You find man?
Which man?
A man you find.
That we do need.
A man you find for me?
That we do need now.
A man you find for me?
Nobody with the foolish.
Bombard, man you find man for me to be. I'm in the yard. So
alright, you're there 24/7. I mean I work 24/7. What time me have for man?
Don't got Chinese.
Don't not who's man there Chinese?
Right now, Mr. Ling Cheng Cheng, my Cheng 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 you.
Sure.
Eh?
I'm foolish talk right now.
I mean, I talk foolishness.
Talk. So, me don't talk, you go, right? So nobody make me have to drag you or push you out. So just please, just go of your own free will.
You go sorry, you know.
Me not go sorry.
You go sorry, it's everything
Listen to me not want to do this. But me tired of it. Me need look ahead. You see, if I did try to help me out, it would have better. But you not help me. Me have to get up, me have to make sure me tidy the post before me go work.
Me tell you,
me come back and pull up.
Stop a fool.
What you doing?
Me tell you, look for the bed, that place nice. Eh? How would do it? What do you think I would do it? Where you come from? You're not Chinese. And where you come from so early? Maybe you never plan for sleeping. You know what? Me I left your place. Remember say I eat this here? We're done, right?
Yeah, we're done.
Alright, we're done. Everything good.
Yes. No left nothing where I have to come back, please. Everything just.
You see you? You go sorry.
Yeah, no,
I'm me buy that pillow here.
Excuse me?
I'm me. Pay for that pillow you put pan this bed here.
No, take everything you put.
No, this no, it's everything.
Okay, because only one pillow you buy. Look for me here, talk, you only buy one pillow alone.
Keep a sheet, I'm going to drive a sheet off.
You're not dry, you go on with it. I don't like me can't buy back. I don't like a one sheet there. Hey, this man. What you do on my yard? I don't tell you to see me and avoid me. What you come on my yard for?
What do you mean by me at the yard?
You don't notice that me left out of mommy place. Make you all on done there comfortable. When me did done there, and when mommy I do this and daddy I do this and uncle and everybody I do this, you sit on one side and you laugh. You know once back me. You don't do nothing. You sit down and grin your teeth. And now me left out of mommy place and in a one little one room and I live my life and comfortable. You come over here for bother me.
You don't talk now?
So come for bother me. I piss you come for piss me.
You don't chat now, cause
where you come
that
here
is always with you now. Yap, 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 yap.
I be a yap, but I sit and make sense. Because I don't see where you come here. For me, I have no friend. I tell her I don't want no friend for no.
We are no friend and we can't be friend. We are sister. So how we be friend?
Me and you is no sister. If me and your sister, you see all the things that my uncle used to do with me when I was smaller, you would have back me. You would have when me I tell mommy and mommy no believe me, you would have, as a little one, because you know mommy believe you in everything. You was a little one who know about it, couldn't tell mommy and make mommy would have believed you. Think bad things would happen to me in life. And when me run out of house and build my little one room now, you come and perplex me.
I just that with it, just love yap, yap, yap. I come to make a band with me, your sister and sister band.
Listen
and you don't want that.
Listen to me. You see, only band me know a last kick band. Only band me want make I band for me and so last kick band. Me no want no other band. So you see anybody want you go to the road, go get a car tire and ban yourself on the car tire.
You should sting you while I go on talk about only band you want a last kick band. You should sting you.
I don't me no busy.
Anyways, how you not come and work today?
Me have things that do. Why problem?
You not come and work today, have things I do. Mr. Leng Leng Long say, how you not come and him a go fire you?
Him can't fire me because me don't call in this morning and take one day sick leave because me no feel good. I'm one cream here, come here for look nice so back at work. Come out of me place. Come out before me take up your broom and lick you in your head. Come out!
I gotta make Mr. Leng Leng want fire you. Go girl!
Fire who? You know how long me I work there so they can't fire me. Bun done on this,
Boy.
you know me? Perfect my soul.
I don't know, probably. Me think about the answer now. I don't understand.
My friend, how you turn up pasado?
Give me a minute here, I'm soon call her back. Alright. What your problem?
And she attack too?
How you want?
Say I deal with me, some friend.
I'm not doing with you now, yeah.
Well, anyways, I have a bigger story than that right now.
What do you
So I know say, go down to my sister yard to check him. Girl, I rush me out time place and sitting. And I bring up whole story from way back. I mean, if you say, see, so make you deal with me so and thing.
So why should I do that?
Aye. You must have vengeance in her heart for me, but me there try look one sister band with her and it come like say, you now work my friend.
Don't push it. If I push it too hard, not work for true. Yes, fellow. But anyways,
So how about it differently?
I know someone want work. I want Chinese store.
So a long time I want work. And you know say me I work down at Mr. Leng Leng want. Right now Mr. Leng Leng want whole heap of workers. Yeah.
I can't put in a word for me and let me know what I'm going.
Yeah man, I go put in a work right now. Me best thing about there. For my sister. Fire more Mr. Leng Leng want fire him.
Then you can tell like Panama or something. Drop something in her bag. Set him up.
You know, so you not go so far though with me and my sister though. I not drop down my sister bag. It's just me and my sister business.
You're right, you see? That's why don't come back and tell me nothing about you and your sister, you know. If you
Anyways,
ever
my
do
friend.
it again, I'll kick half your face.
Anyways, my friend, me love how you look round up, do I look good like good life.
Agree with me.
So every time me a call, you have to depend on one call. Me a see call waiting and ping.
When I did a call me, I don't get no missed call.
Just a while ago, that's why you see me
so
walk
then just
out.
come in. But did I find my phone and talk to Tia? Oh, what problem thinking? As I hear about Tia, look at your skin up your face.
Oh, I not say nothing. Never say me auntie. Me just set my face so. But it's alright, everything good, man.
I don't like how you and Tia roll. Well, we are friends. And you always have to pick me with Tia. So why problem?
Yo, let me tell you something. You see when I left me pitney with Tia, I pay him.
You pay Tia?
I mean, I pay Tia when I see me left me pitney with her.
How much money?
I want 2 bills, 3 bills.
Pinky, you talk like I want 5,000 or $1,000 you give girl. 2 bills?
No,
3
5,000
bills?
for such a little time. 20 minutes, 30 minutes. In 2 bills and 3 bills, good for you, man.
I feel joke you make. I joke you make though.
Well, I joking at my thing. Me say 2 bills or 3 bills. 20 minutes no work nothing. If you give me 5,000 for 20 minutes, 2 bills and 3 bills to look for a shop. Anyways, I realize that your Tia get close. You think me no hear so no go a Popeyes? Somebody tell me so then see Twan walk go in a Popeyes and come out a
So what's wrong with that?
What
If
me
you're
wrong with
hungry,
that?
we not buy something to eat.
So how you not call me?
Pinky.
I know what.
Everything you feel, we all are we are friend and everything, but sometimes
You know what? It's alright.
me not like
Me
how
go
you
stop
behave.
running down. Me not third wheel. Me go stop for running down. It's alright. Everything good, man.
Pinky, stop being
Listen,
funny,
not everything good, man. Me go stop running down. Cause you see me now, me no take the third wheel. It's alright.
Thinking nobody not take off the third wheel. You have your child. You have your child there. Both in the business. When you really hungry. So we go down there so we get something to eat. So what's wrong with that, Pinky? That's not enough for this now.
It's alright, man. My sister, me a last option. Yeah, man.
Father God.
But you know what?
You
know what?
Can't manage them.
Everything good, man. I got me out of now.
Coffee, me have to check tea and you know. Check him out, come back.
Push the door open.
Where go on?
What they are, you know?
Why? I saw my foot good, make it to party right time, man.
You don't even know what me I cook, you know?
I don't need to know you. Come and me talk to him once. Me have something to come. Talk to you about.
Me ask you now.
Why? Me have some problem with my family. You remember my sister? The old one. A girl not talk come on me yard. I me tell her say me no want in a nothing with her. She a come talk but she want make sister bad. Me have to run him out of my house and tell him say if you get one bag and put pan in hand or something. She come on me yard about how she want try mend things and she never want try mend things years ago when time my family then they out to kill me. And when me left out of the house and they have to me look at house now she a come bother me.
But anyways, me see a man other day walk with pillar on the road. I want to in between you and him.
Me put him out.
I lie.
Yeah, he not help me do nothing in the yard. He not go look work do. Every day he sit on the phone and play a game, I play PUBG, Free Fire, Call of Duty, everything. He play every game on the phone, but he not go to the road. He not even try say alright, he not get no work. Try get one friend and get two clients and do something. No, he not do every day on the phone.
Sooner or later, I you and him again.
No. Me tired of him. Me tell him if he go on and he take back the pillar. That's what come and see me the pillar. He buy one pillar and take it back. Look how much he take me up off a sheet when buy it up. If me sit down on him, pull it off a bed, strip the bed naked and gone.
No, them the kind of man that you want.
Girl, he ain't stay so stop going like you know he ain't stay so too.
As some man tan.
He ain't stay
They
so.
nice at first. And then further down in our relationship, them a dog.
Well,
As a man tan.
ever hear about blind by love? And that did happen to me. Me never realized that's
Good for you. You're good luck that.
But he still not stay so just the fact that he now try to find something to do. Or even if me gonna work, he now make up a bed, he now wash up two look dirty plate, me have to come back from work and wash them and make
Well,
post. That's just that. So me just tell him say done. And that's it. And me I talk to you about my sister and you left for a grandpa man. Me I talk about man.
girl, you see me now, me and your friend long time, right? Me not two business between you and your family. That is not my concern. Me no business about that.
She don't know want to keep back and get in your head side right now.
So you talk to me about your sister, right?
And you gone
And
man.
what you expect me if you say no?
Tell me if you not make him come over there. Or text me
Me
and
not
lick
have
him
no
down.
business right there, so if you tell what you do between you and your sister. I don't have any business right here.
Come on, and give me a little food there. Do that if you do.
You
Have a chat.
I'm gonna look for me pot. Well, alright, you know.
I don't want to go up some more and take food to the buy the book or the cook and need it.
Yo, my general.
Danfo, are you that?
Jesus Father. Oh God, man.
Come here, come
Jesus Christ, my Father, man.
Yo.
Father. Jesus.
I want to follow you, sir.
Fresh.
For real. Alright. So I go on different because you're back in that place. What?
Alright, I tell you the truth, my father. As I say, I'm fresh. I'm there back in a place. Because in my circle community, I say community is not the same. So right now, a matter of fact, you have foundation from a long time. You have a loyal youth. Right now, I'm there try rise up some project where we can give the youth them in our community.
It's a project?
Project, my friend, man.
Yeah, man. That me depend, you know.
Hold on there. A matter of fact, you know, say me I look for a real youth. My right hand, but what I mean my right hand, I don't mean like no youth for use. I mean a youth that I can trust.
And make a food?
Yeah, bro.
Alright. I made
So
the
you
man,
can
man.
make a food, you know.
So I made the man.
Oh God, my friend, man. You come like a right drive, my friend, man.
I tell you, man.
You know, say, from I come back from foreign, like, it's like the best thing that never happened to me.
See.
I finally book a brethren, a loyal brethren, where I can relate to my friend. You see the right hand where you go play.
Yeah.
Are you in charge? Everything are you in charge.
Come like a God send you, brother.
Oh, more God send my father.
Jesus.
A blessing. A matter of fact, you see when me say you in charge, me no mean me. Are you in charge?
See.
So a matter of fact, you can get all some youth who want to work to you know. Any youth who you know want to work. A matter of fact, me can get all the van for you go do your thing and get some youth. No youth in the community want to work.
Yeah, man. Alright, you are. My brother. I'm going to link my brother first and organize making can forward because he might do some things I really appreciate. Even though things rough and people are hustle. But me really want him to can, you know, settle down, and this I know is a perfect thing. And yo, to be honest with you, you know, enough things are going on because
Jaja youth.
you remember me Fatty? You remember Fatty?
Hold on there, man. Maybe you Fatty still.
Well, no, not alone, sir. Different. I want different day, main reason about that. But right now, up the me I go right now, cause you know.
Wait, up on your brother or up on Fatty?
Up Fatty, man.
Up Fatty?
Yeah, up Fatty.
Alright, watch out, my friend, man. As me say, me fresh in a place. So as me say, the van a fear. Just take it and do what you want to. Line up the youth them and go just sort out what you sort out.
Alright. Respect. Yeah.
Link me tomorrow. Cause me have a folder where I want to drop off.
See.
Where one for you and one for the person where you go work with.
Alright.
Where you can understand everything.
Everything.
You know me I say?
Respect. Yeah.
Big up again, you know.
Dan Paul, respect you
Oh
know.
God, my friend, man.
You know. See?
Just cool, man.
Alright.
What the pillar good?
Yeah, alright.
Big up, my friend.
I'm not here, man. You know. Come out of what? Eh? Me now come out of this. How far we are come from? We are built. See, man.
Hello. What you do ya? What me tell her say?
What mean something I did? Yes, I'm live.
Me not tell her say me no want you back here, so you come and sleep in my bed.
I feel we bed. So we done?
We not left out before we bed anymore. Me not understand you, you know. Me tell you a thing.
Me understand why you always give me away. Me go
Give away to who?
and the first me I come
Oh,
out.
so you go find a woman already? I suck with you the well one left.
No, I'm not find a woman. Who tells me find a woman?
So you say me a give away. We cannot talk them there. You dey have woman. That's why you take up a pill as soon as me talk and run out of here.
You hear the dog in my back there, cause of rubbish you chat, eh? You hear the dog in my back as you start talk about woman. Let me tell you this, man.
Get up.
Look, me tell you something, I get the contract. Me tell you something, I get the contract.
You get contract?
Look and read.
See it. What? Me always believe in it. I am. Woo! I am so proud of you.
Tell you, you come like you think I joke.
Babes, me believe in it. I just put you out. You see it? If me never do it, you would get it. You would get up and go okay because you want to come back here. You see it? I push you.
So you put me out, push me.
Yeah. If you go look the work, because I know you will come back. Come on, man. I know you love me, so you know. Wow.
You sure some money have you?
Which man?
So TV left on. You don't normally watch TV.
No, my sister come over here, so me just there play 2 gospel in the evening because my sister they come to me store and me didn't want to do nothing bad. You understand? And then me left go over my friend here because she called me for some food.
I'm here telling about the food she's called. Me don't know why you feel like say me not have no conscious stability in getting money and making money. My thing is not constant, but when it come, it come. I'm don't tell her it's to me, man.
Me believe in you, you know. But you didn't want look upliftment, you didn't want look
no, me don't want to push out.
If me not push you out, you would get the work. You would have sit there every day I play a game and you know I truth. So I'm glad that you got there go get you and come back. You know, I really miss you too, you know. Jesus
you miss me too?
I miss you, see?
You sure you miss me? You miss me?
Yeah, I miss you.
So you're going for food tonight, you cook?
Yeah, where you want to eat? Anything you want to eat? Anything at all? Where you want to eat?
Listen, I go to your workplace and anything out, you want?
I could go work today. If I'm married, I get up, I feel one pain right or so.
You feel one pain?
Yeah, right on there saying on my chest.
So you take for your pain?
I take 2 pills and call in and tell him say I feel sick, so I not come in this morning.
So how long one say you know hear from you like you know hear no message?
I call over there and I look at old woman answer. She can't even manage her phone. I tell them to put me around there and pay me more, but they're not here.
I will take time with the book and I mash up in because
I'm not mash up in me just there.
I'm going to say you can't read 100% already. So nobody have the phone.
So when I start to work?
This work here, because tomorrow I'm supposed to go link up my brother now. I want him to be a part of the whole thing. You know what I mean? So
alright
my brother go deal with that thing for me and so forth. Me I get a promotion already. Yes, promotion.
Jesus Christ.
So you go on?
Yeah, man. So
Me happy for you, alright. Go and go sleep. Where you go and go sleep? Me
no,
go and food for you.
No, come one night me not stay. Come on, go and go be and come back.
So you're not hungry?
Me hungry again.
Alright, me go be there and come back.
Sure enough.
Come. Yeah, me come back, man. Know yourself.
Alright.
I'm glad that you get to look at what. I'll get to work. I worry myself. I'm dope in me.
Girl, I know some have doubts in you, but I just feel nervous. You never feel nervous when I first I go look at a job.
So what you say to me?
Thank you, Pinky.
Oh, that's what friends are for.
Okay.
So you know, sister, I may do this for you.
Yes.
Tia can do this for you.
Come on, Pinky.
Tia can do this for
Not
you.
with Tia situation again.
Anyways, you know, sister, Mr. Leng Leng want like you. Mr. Leng Leng want peace.
Piece of what?
I don't know it.
Piece of apple?
Lord Jesus Christ. We don't cancel nothing today. My sister was not. She don't like me.
Oh, so come and work for chat me. What I do?
Girl, go on where you go
Look
now.
here, let me tell you something. Me see you bring friend now. Miss Let in a Leng War supermarket. Just know say you see anybody ask a question about me, you don't know me. Me don't exist, me and nothing. And me don't talk. And by the way, how you get me bag?
You forgot to me and your exchange.
Know where yourself. It's so me so know where yourself.
Go on where you go, girl. Come on. Girl, go!
Bob,
What me there, so man?
what you say to me?
All gone.
Yeah, damn, everything good?
Yeah, man.
Yo, I want a reason with it, you know, proper reason, you know. You understand me? I say, Bob, me I talk to you, you know.
Yeah, this chat, man. You see I go on now.
All right, you see that book here? Yo,
Hmm?
me I talk to you, man. Bob, just listen, man.
Oh, where I say? I true. Them people here. Where I say go on?
All right, you
How them
see,
do?
want me to do one work. But basically, me know you stay, you know. You like to start and finish. You understand me? I say, what we have to go do it. Come,
Listen now what we have to go do. You don't know me no work. Me no do the work thing already.
yeah, but you have to do it, bro. It's about time. You see, quick money we are trying to run down and the bing, what go on. The money
Yeah.
not stay, brother.
Like people don't take more money, you know.
They might take about money, but they will come back for it, you know. I want if you know that.
But me spend it then can't get it back.
Yeah, but you
Anyways.
go in a problem. My brother, just ease the man. Alright, you want me? I really want you to do. I want you to join me because this is a contract I may get. A certain what can make we a millionaire. A both are a millionaire.
So that me I try to do. I distract me.
But yo, she's like, you know, get to me, I said to you. Bob, it's about time you start focus on genuine and quality instead of quick and quantity. You understand me? I say, in quantity thing now work out. You understand me? I say, so here more you do. You still can read, not true?
They no must.
You sure you can read?
Me
I'm gonna lift this with this. This is a few copy. See, I'm going to study what I go on because this have to show the outline and everything. Are you alone me trust, Bob? Alright? So next,
Give me number, see.
I'll come check it back tomorrow. You have everything right. The whole contract.
Why? Me not think me I read this tonight, you know.
I not tonight ever read. Just take your time. But more if you understand what we're gonna deal with, where we are go, and all them something. This is your copy. Me have my copy like big line, original copy. You understand me? I say. So you feel so we can deal with it, Bob. We can't trust you this time.
Me nah promise you, you know.
Eh?
Nah promise you, but
You have to promise because I serious business.
alright.
Promise me, no, Bob.
Promise you, man. I promise you.
Why not easier? Hold on. A second time I give him some money apart.
That girl, eh?
Yeah, man.
Daddy, brother, listen to me. You see them the kind of girl, eh? Money, if you have money to spend on them. She gonna want her ears, nails. She gonna want them because sex is something difficult for her.
When you feel something, hold on.
You know, feel something.
Check.
You know so.
Hello, miss.
Yeah, so me never want it.
Excuse me, ma'am. Good evening. It's the second time I see you around here, you know. And I was, you know, like, first time I see you, I want to stop you and talk to you, but see I move so fast. And then I see you with one kind of one stoutish girl. I walk, you know, go up, like, I go up in a hill.
Oh, I'm my best friend.
Best friend, that?
Yeah, me have two best friends.
And then the next time I see you, yeah, they want slim girl. So me, you know, I'm just making notes. So I was paying attention. You know what I mean? Me not stalk you know, me not like you know stalk a person like that.
I understand. Well,
Yeah.
I'm my two best friends then.
Oh, your two best friends then.
Yeah.
Nice. It's good to have friends in these times. You know. What I really want to do is I would like to get to know you for you. Is it possible? Like real possible? Or
That's the thing about it.
you think about it?
Yes.
Well, you know what? I appreciate that because I could answer no. You understand? So
Yes.
I appreciate that. But if I beg a number, you feel like possible or I feel like I'm gonna start. What you feeling?
Me give me number. If you when I text me, if you feel like text you back, you text
You
you,
text.
but if not,
Alright.
I'm not gonna text you.
Alright. I'll take that. You work with that. As me say, you couldn't tell me no, you couldn't say, go on, where me I go.
And
You don't
here
feel
you go.
say, nice.
Oh, and my name is Marika.
Oh my God, my name is Public. You know what I mean?
Nice to meet you, Public.
Nice to meet you too. I hope to see you again because, hey, it's not, you know, these times, I can be honest with you, I'm looking for something genuine. Me just start, you know, my brother just gone, even if it's my brother, and think we have some contract and something to deal with, and I look somebody to kind of, you know, enjoy that way. You know what I mean? Because, you know, in life, something you just want stability. And if you understand me, I say,
Yeah, that's what I
I'm not pressure no longer. Have a wonderful day.
Thank
Alright?
you.
I will text you. Hopefully we can hear from you. Alright?
No problem. Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Public.
Alright, Marika.
It's so happy, man. I'm not thinking about it. But over your peaceful though, and quiet. A nice place to come and relax your mind. And we need it too. We need a little peace of mind. Trust me. Just me and you alone. Me and you alone. Why? I want me not saying no answers. You come like something going on. It is so good. Oh God. I'm thirsty. So you say I go on now? Boy, to tell you the truth. Time rough, you know? About that time. Time rough for true. No, tell him. But big and serious. I'm glad to say we just feel alright. All up here feel too. Well, I person feel good enough and I feel relaxing, not gonna lie. And then you want pink in there. So you look at me so. What do you mean by? You know, oh, you miss Pinky? No. You know miss Pinky? Miss her for what? Oh. She know there with her baby to interrupt nothing. You understand? We can't talk about anything now. No baby to interrupt. You get
How
to
baby that interrupt me?
You don't understand what I talk about? What baby do to interrupt people?
Like you would they run up and down and Pinky would run Ghana.
And we have to run behind around the baby.
Anyway, I have no problem with that still and still, but to tell you the truth, more than one pick me.
Enough time I think about it too.
So like, I'm ready to do one mother. But just want to find one nice man to settle down with. You know one nice man to settle down with too?
Everybody would have want, every woman would have want one nice
Me
man.
talk about you, me not talk about every woman. Are you me talk
So you ask me a stupid question. I don't understand.
Some woman no want no man. That me I tell you.
Every righted woman will have their head on their body would have want one nice man to settle down with her, have kids.
Right. But anyway, Miss Pinky still. You should have the person with you and relax.
I don't miss her.
You not like Pinky?
I never tell her something I like her. I say I don't miss her. How you learn at school?
You talk about the girl. Why you always talk bad about Pinky though?
Girl, I don't talk bad about Pinky. But the girl too ups. She too ups. You
What
understand?
mean by?
You don't understand when somebody ups. She is very ups. And listen, maybe there, son. Remember, I not have a child, right? And every week she a go, Tia America, you can't keep your baby for me. She a go shop. You know just carry the picnic go on with you?
I don't see nothing wrong with that. What if you pregnant tomorrow morning and have baby, right? You don't want me and Pinky for the run where you can call upon anytime to keep your baby.
I go ask them if you keep my baby, but not every time, so. Every time, sir.
Not every time. You have a baby now?
Actually, may escape her. Make we not have the baby. So, what are you implying? What you say?
I don't have no problem with the girl and her baby. That me I try to say.
You don't have a problem because you're blind.
Blind to what? Yeah?
Blind for sister she ups. Me can't have a peace of mind without Pinky interrupting.
So we not have a peace of mind now.
Yeah, but we just have a conversation. We can't have a conversation.
Of course we can. You're not friend.
Me say a buck ups make me hear the answer by myself right now. Buck ups.
Alright, yeah. Can we talk about something more? Girl, me say me forget to tell you, say. One day me a pass out a place where man dem a do construction work. And me see one man over there. Okay. But I just saw you there. Thank you.
You see what me talk about?
What's the problem with you? You wanna be a friend, you know? Stop the time to make a girl come over here and come feel your bad energy.
Okay. So I saw no do it. I saw no do it.
Do
I saw no plan to live.
Oh.
I mean by oh.
We not no picnic so we stress free.
How you know so over yourself?
I mean by me know so no when if you know that. Look how me a call you know.
Girl, this morning we wake up early and do what we have to do. Me I'll do that call your phone. You know see me calling for your phone.
No, me
Why you
not.
wake up so late?
My eye not see not one miss call.
Why you wake up so late? You should
Because
have
the
all night
baby
last
girl,
night.
the baby. I want to fact here with the baby. Can't give me a little phone, Coco Melon. Oh, give me my Pitney. Can't even not feel no energy. Give me. Come me baby.
With energy?
Come,
What
lay
kind of
down.
talk that?
Lay down my baby.
Eh?
Wanna stay too bad.
Pinky, that not necessary right now.
Me see the me, but me see one of the pan. Alright, so me a third
Pinky,
wheel
this
too
not
no.
necessary.
No,
what
so me
you
a
do
third
right
wheel. You
now.
see all you? You see all big like. You see all you? Me see say. And she they broke you out and a dry away from me. Is that right? Me get the picture. Is that right?
Me tell you, say your energy not right. And if you stop doing something, then all of your friend.
What me do?
And your energy, you come like you look at baby, feel the energy. And your baby feel the energy, you know?
A baby.
And your mother connect to your baby, so your mother feel it too.
Girl, you know, say other day when me soon done this talk, really feel neglected in a girl. And I know so you feel treat me, Marika. Because guess what, for me, remember say me first I know, you know. And me first I know that the girl had just come. So she could have gone about for her business for her like care. So remember say I'm here there in a house to sleep together, we put on clothes together, we get up and we eat together. And you want to come neglect me for she, you must be mad. That will never happen.
I don't put nobody over that. If you are my friend, I'm in love with you on equal. You understand? Yes, me know say you first, me know everything. Me a treat you now, yeah?
No, but she a dry you. She a dry you back her. And make me a pre different things, you know. Cause right now, I'm not telling you, you know, me head a pre 100 things, you know. Me head a pre 100 things.
Thinking nobody not trying to work at it. We just, you never wake up early, you know. So we just take a walk. And we come up here, so I walk and relax.
So me a come there, they will feel her energy, me a tell you the truth. I tell me what to him on his face, so they will feel the energy right now.
But you never tell us you don't feel our energy.
So you know, so what you hear me say? What you hear me say when I walk off? You want to put me for third option and that can't work. If I'm me and me, and if I she and she. And if you can't change our ways them, then it not go work. It not go work with me.
But I put me in a situation to choose, you know. Because I not choose. You understand?
Hello, me chosen. You don't have to choose me, me chosen. Hey, Marika, me and your friend. And I know say all of fear. You see me? You understand me? I say all of we.
Me not feel
Fear
like we are
live.
live now. How we are? We not live nowhere. You have a picnic sometime, you have to stay home. And make una picnic up and roll. You understand?
She a give me one vibes where she a tell me yes she a keep him, but deep down me know she no want keep him. And the vibes them and the energy them I feel from her.
Me not feel sad, but anyway, make that rest. All of we are friends, all of we are sister, we eat out on one pot. You know we do most things together, but we are gonna make it through in our life and everything. But me have something to tell you. Me see one man who me like. Me a walk on the road the other day over where side there, where man them work and everything. Me see one man over there, so me like. But me I get to find out say him one over there and everything and him, you know.
Then that no good girl.
Yeah, but
My.
suppose the man not like me.
Eh?
Suppose the man not like me.
You don't know that. You don't know if you seduce for.
And that's why you breathe. No wonder why you breathe faster than anybody else. How you just seduce, man.
Don't worry yourself, my friend. If you fear, you fear.
Right. But I want me get single, come like.
Oh, say. Come on in already, car right now.
Already,
Like
car,
the rain
guess I'm
all far.
hungry. So. Hurry up and go for your picnic.
Yeah, me I go do. That's why I love when we spend time in a house, spend time. That's a happy way. I just love the time we have, man.
So Pinky, imagine after you tell me say you gonna shop, how far you shop the Pinky? Eh? Half hour it take you for you figure and shop. How far you shop the Pinky?
No, girl, when me go to shop right, they say the lock, so me have to go back on one next shop. Yeah, go and talk
So what things them where you buy there?
Me eat them on the way.
You left me with the picnic all long, you picnic them miserable pan a ball and sitting.
That's something like them pinning with you, know.
Are you over there, sir? Eh? Marika, which problem? Where confusion there? Anytime me a talk in writing, it's like I'm me a the bad person.
What do you mean by that, Tia? You don't know a bad person. Pinky you know a bad person. It will we are one. I'm tired to tell you that. What problem?
Principal. She tell me say she a go shop. Half hour later, me see it turn on a march. I come in like a chat to not chat me.
What time for that?
Yeah.
I chat to not chat me.
What the fire for chat now?
So man think it's so easy.
What you mean by so?
And who the basket fit, let them wear it. Come back, man. I chat too much, man. You come for it now, you're in a bag of argument. Stop your argument, girl.
No, because you are a problem. What is the problem? I just go for the road and I see Pinky and it will come back home. What is far? Where jealousy is from? What problem?
Jealousy, you talking right, man.
Why right?
You say you go shop.
I mean, me tell us to go on the road. Pinky gonna shop.
You say she a go shop. How long it take for you to shop? 10 to 15 minutes.
And you want to stay picking, so stay picking.
So, girl, let me say baby asleep. When the baby wake, you call me. That's what friends for.
So you can't wake up
Later, yeah? When the baby wake, you call me. That's what
Liberty
friends
come
for.
through carelessness. You're weird. Next time we day.
Yeah. Hello? what is America? Like, yes, man. The thing you forget all about me, you know. Wait, you want me today? Yeah, man, of course, me can meet you today, man. So what time is it check you? Eh? Check in what time? Eh? Alright, yeah, man, me can,
A business.
a business. Come some. Alright, yeah, yes, alright, cool. Yes. Yeah, man.
A business.
Yes, man. Give them
Oh.
us business. Oh, I couldn't what else?
So you
Eh?
don't say if you do.
Yeah, so if you come organize the basis of the work because they want to start on Monday. Yes, baby.
So hurry up and go on now.
That
Come
me a
on,
think
get
about
up,
for them.
put on your hat. Come now.
Hurry up.
Yes, hurry up and
No,
go.
well, I'm soon go, man. I'm soon go. But
Listen me, a business.
yeah, but
Early bird get the most worm. So get up and come on. Suppose you don't see a show up and then call somebody else.
yeah, but
Get up,
no, but
man.
from man, you're gone. Go on, if you can see and talk to you first. We
You
can
see
talk to
me?
you.
Talk to me when you come back.
When you come back.
Yeah, when you come back, me you talk. Talk when you come back.
Say I got work today.
Yeah, me I got work, and that's why me come here and
I may say you look different and look nice, man.
yeah, man, me I got work today cause then say they want to give out one promotion, so me I fix up myself today cause me know more that promotion.
Okay. But make sure, so I don't know promotion will cause you for make me, yeah, miss a long thing or whatever you name. Get closer.
I don't know like that.
Make
and
sure you know.
Him not done there get a wife there, you know.
Hello. Me no like bun, you know. Me no deal with bun.
And you have to make sure, say, you not do no out the car, I work here, there now, woman, the pan side.
No, woman on the pan side,
You don't tell me that,
Which
woman,
one?
the pan side, me a pass place up the beach up, so other day, I see woman a carry bucket and a lift cement.
No, but me I say, don't worry yourself. Just want to know say you secure
Me well
yourself.
secure, you know, me well secure. You don't have to worry about me. None at all. And you, me worry about car, they work from 9 to 5. And then that start, you know.
Alright, you make go.
Yeah, put on the support.
I can't go out there now and get things.
And make sure good news you come back here.
No, most good news. Me can't give me bad news.
Alright. So you carry book with you?
Yeah. So, really appreciate you actually calling me. So you call me today? Sleep, you call me, have some work to start out later on that day. Yeah, man. So how are you though?
I'm great.
You're great?
Yes.
I can see that. All hot and everything. And so my big question is, I know that I don't know how to say it, but I feel extra special knowing you chose me if you have a date right now. Because I know a lot of guys would not want to be in this situation right now. Am I right?
Of course.
Or you have other boyfriend?
No, I have no other boyfriend.
You got another boyfriend?
No.
So basically you tell me say, you know, choose no other boyfriend or you just don't want no other boyfriend?
Give me a minute, then my friend will call me.
Friend will call me.
Hello, Pinky. I'm there on the road. I don't want to look a spot right now.
Girl, right now, I want to talk to you. No.
Pinky, talk to Tia. Call Tia and talk to Tia, yeah?
Girl, with the backside, you tell me to talk to Tia for. Are you more to talk? I'm not talk. Where you there?
I'm there over on the beach.
Alright, don't move me up.
Pinky, I'm there on a date or something like that.
I don't business if you want to for that date. I could have easily only it. No.
Alright, Pinky, later. Sorry about that.
So would that be like, well, let me not say because we don't have that privilege to ask all these questions yet. You know what I mean?
Alright, anything I say.
But as I said before, I would like to get for, you know, be that one for you. a special one. You know what I mean? Because see, there with up on a special date now. There's the two of us on this wonderful beach enjoying ourselves. You know, and to me that's very special.
You sure?
Of course, I'm sure.
So,
So when last you have a boyfriend?
no, let me ask you a question. Since you are the most exciting now, you see me on the road the other day, you come over, you say you like me, second time, whatever. So you have a girlfriend?
I don't have a, well, it's kind of complicated, you know, because we kind of, you know, have a
Okay, saya there. Your friend in need, and I say there with man.
Pinky want me to, alright, come. We'll go talk, I want to look at can. Can you give me a minute? What do you face? Why you look shocked? What want me to you?
no worries, man, just go on. We will continue this one next time. Yeah?
I don't like how you look frightened. You don't know each other?
Funny man too. Come, me need to talk to you. No.
You know him?
No. Me don't know, me never see him yet.
You know
Me
him?
never heard of him neither. Me need
No, I
to
don't
talk
know,
to
I
you
don't
now.
know.
So why you...
No, I'm just saying the date got interrupted, that's all. But
Oh,
that's fine.
that's a problem.
Yeah, man.
Okay, alright, give me a minute, yeah?
No, we could continue on next time. Yeah? Because I just say me have some work to start up. Alright?
Alright then, later, yeah?
Alright, bye-bye.
Yeah, man.
See you walk so.
Oh.
Like you all will come down by from a car.
We'll come for Pinky.
Anyways, you know the man they from. Cause for some reason he feels the familiar. But anyways, that's not my business. You know, so my mother kicked me out.
For what? Where mother kick out from?
Girl, the woman run me out of the house clean. Show me I thought the right thing, she run me out. Right now, I you me go and check stairs, you know, to see if I can put me up for the night.
Yeah. What we can ask her sister? Because you know, say, me pay for the house and everything. And the bank people, them a give me a warm time.
Girl,
I can't put up here.
see where woman a run me out, me a run left and me picnic on her and sitting. And you talk about something for go check sister. Girl, you know, say me and the girl like can't mesh already. We can't agree.
Yeah, thank you. Because I thought my friend, but it's rough. Rough around the edge. Because I can't help you. Where am I going to put you?
Well, I can't believe say me and your friend Marika and I say you treat me. If I didn't in my situation, would I help her, you know?
How me I treat her, Pinky? Me tell her the truth.
Because me in need to stay somewhere right now. And you tell me say me can't stay. Your sister, me tell her say me always third with phone the door.
Me not stay.
What is it? Ask who?
Yeah.
No, you see. At this me at all. Me come to you as a friend, I wanna ask you. Are you first me know? Me never know Tia first. And you tell me for ask Tia. Me don't want to go to Tia yard.
But I know say my space, it can't go work out. Me and friend and everything, girl. If me could have helped her, I would have helped her. You know that's already.
You know say you with me.
Pinky, don't say that. I truth, Pinky. If me did have something to put up, I would have put up here, you know?
It's alright. It's alright. Me I go on business now.
Just call me if I not here.
Go call Tia. Sis.
Oh, yo, where you go? No come in here, no man, me tired. Every day you come over here with the same thing. Why you can't just allow me alone?
Hello, me don't have time for your shenanigans right now. You see, every time mommy and daddy talk, you say me a pick up for them, right?
Yes.
And now the one little time me talk, and me are the problem. And you see that now they come jam in at this, and show me talk now. Hey, me I tell you no man. Me I tell you no girl.
So where you come over here and complain to me about that for?
Because them put me out, where me go now?
Well, you can't come here because me and my man they here. So you can't come here, so you have to go find somewhere else go.
I wish dirty man that. In the day, so dirty man you put over your sister.
Look here, you can't do that. You
I
can't
wish
go
dirty man
try to style me, man. Where you hide first? You know, see girl a style you.
Hello, how are you?
I want my sister now, but you can't come here, come style me man, girl.
Hello, I want to know what me go now, because you want to time me talk.
Well, that's not my
They
problem.
want put me on
You
someone
see,
who
years
me go
ago
now.
when you shouldn't talk, you never talk. Why you choose to go talk now? Eh? Why you choose to go talk now?
So, you know, see me talk now, and
my
then put me
fault.
out.
You never talk years ago when time me did the in the problem, but you want to talk now. Babe, run that girl off me, because I don't have a strength.
It's
Get up and run the
alright.
girl for me now.
It's alright, you're dirty man stay. You're dirty man go on. I see how you, how your face looks like me know you.
You don't know me.
Girl,
you
you
don't
can't
know
know my man.
How your face, you know what?
Go on, baby, you can't know
It's
my man.
alright, don't worry
I
yourself.
people man you want. Go on, go yard. Me I tell her for run the girl, you get up on the hide. Where you hide for?
So, babe, are your sister that?
You mean if I'm my sister, where you know her?
No, no.
So where you hide and ask me for my sister that for what happened?
No, everything good, man. No,
Look, listen to me, don't play with me now.
No.
Don't play with me. Cause me text it now, you know, you lick you down with it, don't ramp with me.
I cuss me.
You hungry?
I'm hungry, man.
Where you want to eat?
Anything you deal with it double.
I saw you hungry.
Correct, man.
Like,
Hello. Yes, you are going. No, brother, I don't want to work. You don't know, see, my brother control all the division there. Yeah, man. Dan Paul come down one day and him give my brother a contract, so my brother control. No, you don't want to work. What you say? I know feel my brother control this, sir. You sure you get your new straight, my youth? And my brother control the whole of this, sir. What? Work him, I work for him. A joke, you make. Right, then no say nothing. Go check it.
How that? How do you? How you look, sir?
Boy, my friend, for you see me, I see you see desperation for me.
Come, spill the beans.
Give me a chance to talk now. Anyways, the people then kick me out of the house.
The people then kick you out of the house, and what that have to do with me?
Just because me I talk the truth, then kick me out. So right now you see me, you see desperation upon me right now, so I look for stay. I can't stay with you.
Stay with me. Pinky, may go have problem. Problem may go have, but anyways, we are friends, and that's what friends are for. Right? So how long you want to stay?
Till I get somewhere.
Till I get somewhere.
Yeah,
what,
till
2
I get-
months, 1 month, 3 months?
1 month, I not stay so long in a fair place because I can't agree.
So you're your baby? Or are you alone?
I'm alone.
Oh. Me I gonna make you stay. Zin? But let me tell you this, don't use my things there. My lotion, my cologne and then sitting there. Do not use them. Make sure you have your own baby
Yellow bright,
soap.
you tell me use girl things.
What is for me, Jesus? The girl now know if you stay and come back and dash bag for me. I'm not take a pee now.
you know, see I show you my sister, I'm gonna lay in my left hand. Look here, don't play with me. I don't have time for this. Move out of the way, I'm go back, go do what me I do. Load up here.
I have something to talk to you about, girl. Other day, I see you look man in your bed.
Hey, nobody with it. Don't bring me man in this. That's why my family new members them know if me in a relationship or not. Nobody treat you come see me man over there come and go. Me see little man in your bed. My man, not your man. So just move. Move out of here.
The other day, when I see a man in your bed,
What me just say?
you see, the other day, I see you look man in the bed. You don't really want to pass nobody business, you know.
You know, if I sound like stop tell lie. Lie. You can't see your friend or my man. My man they work at daytime.
Sis, me see a man
Girl,
with my friend.
If
Me
me
see
never
them,
listen
me
me.
take me here and see them. And you know, good feel in that situation they are there with somebody when I want you sis.
What give you any right to come and accuse my man? And what make you think to me I go believe you? After all that will happen to me and you when time me a pick me and you not step up to me. What you feel to me I go believe you now?
Alright.
Just tell me man your mouth and he done this so. Go ahead, girl.
Anything I can say for this situation right now because I have some stuff I start on, so we can maybe check tomorrow. You know what? What do you need to ask?
Jesus, love is a bubbling over.
Alright. Me will call you back in about an hour. Yeah? Alright, cool.
Evelyn.
Babe.
So as me I come here and jump off your phone.
The phone call just done, the conversation done or what?
How you chat to?
You want to come see? I people me I talk to.
Oh, work.
Work, of course. I don't know about work.
Come to think of it. Me and my sister not talk, you know. And me there work today and my sister pulled me out of the China. And I tell me, oh, you have woman.
Are you? She talk about a young woman me have. Me
No,
love...
but I sit on this and try to take me for fool.
No, listen me have friends. Me have people me talk to. Me can't have people me talk to.
Me cuss her off today, you know, until I have to stop calling name in her mouth, you know.
That's what you do and defend me. Eh? And
when me defend you, me look like an idiot from road.
Look
Me
like
say, if you ramp with me, you think I put out here get this time? I lick done. Ramp with me.
I threaten really come from work, come threaten me there and tell the place what day today.
Then if my sister, remember my sister not talking, you know, and she have the audacity if you pull me out of work, you know. And I tell me about how she
your sister chat too much.
Oh, so true.
I was true upon what?
If I never true, you could
no, but why she have, no, last time she come here, she have come say about, she see me face look familiar and all them something there, and then she come tell you all kind of rubbish. And so she never defend you, you know, she never defend you when your mother and your father attack on you know. But if you know that, you can't trust her. So she know you don't know what kind of scheme she pull up. It's a Ponzi scheme, babe. Me and my fatty, hey, we go straight through. You think me can't get the next fatty like you? Eh? Think about that. So don't bother with the fool. So anybody may talk to, I just friend and me have a conversation with people and that's it. What if a small we can invest some business in or some money? What you talk about? Yeah man, I feel like I want some ital food in idea, you know.
So you can go buy something done to make it like cock soup and so off and then.
But no cock soup. No, not with cock soup.
You just want ital food?
Listen, just not put no cock soup, you know, deal with that, you know, in that part there. If you have put pumpkin soup, you know.
So go and go buy them then, no?
You know, no, you know, just I understand circumstances.
Go and go buy them.
So me have to love you, you know.
Go buy them and come back.
Alright, I'm gonna so you're gonna change this down a China change them better, you know. Trying to give you better rate. I don't China you come from.
Go on to the Cambia, go change it, and after you change it, you buy the something them. I'm tired.
Yeah. So why is that alright, you want to do? Wash up and so later we can
Go on. I wash me and wash you and turn it on. So you don't know what you talk about. Go on.
Brother. Where your man there? Where your dirty man there?
Excuse me, you can't come over
Listen.
here cause time, man. Do not come here cause
Listen, I'm my brother. When
what
there?
me say,
When
no
there?
come here cause time,
Where
man.
your man there?
I just my man properly
Where your
and then
man there?
I just him properly.
Listen, where your man there? When there? Yo,
Excuse, I
where your
can't do
man
that. I
there?
cannot
Where your
do that.
man there?
No, you ain't gotta work with.
Me I know you see me a man go work. No me alone you see yourself.
He tell me say you want him at
You
work.
can't tell us say me and him a
He
work.
say
Listen
man
to
he
me.
friend them at work, so you know one of friend.
Them brother, me and him friend.
Whatever,
Listen
still
to me.
friend.
Tell a man say anywhere me buck him, me have something for him. Yes, just tell him say anywhere me see him, me I go give him when you get. Here, make sure.
You can't have nothing for my man.
Alright.
How we are paying? Come on, how we are paying top thing?
My
now?
girl.
Smoke.
Better watch it, you know.
Another that. You think me
Watch it, you know. Watch it, you know.
oh fire, so you see me further you come over here and call look for you. Hey. Sure.
You subscribe yet?
Hold on, I'm there for a man. He sit down and all know he can't reach my yard. I call him. So I'm answering phone. Hello. Which part you there? Why you not coming from last night? Listen me. No me pick on the guy in the reach in the yard. Cause I don't know what kind of work that you do. From last night, you not come in and you come tell me about you there for work. What kind of work? From yesterday morning you left go work. And you tell me say you could come in by 5 o'clock up till today you don't come in. Listen me. Find the yard there, man. Cause right now my blood a boil.
Hello? Miss Grace?
How that?
You talk about who that come look at who, man. What you dealing?
How you doing? You know you are going?
No, you are going. I'm Miss Grace. What you talk about? I'm Miss Grace, come check, brother.
Miss Grace, good man. Say you a pink in there no more.
Never hear that. So you talk so like your voice
No,
up, so
cause
brother.
right now I'm not really in a good mood, you know. Pinky I try to violate my mother right now, you know. So I send me Pinky from here, so, you know. Pinky no live here so no more. I mean, no say you come to Miss Grace, a Pinky I come to, so nobody can use style. Pinky no there. So you know say you no accept you so no more.
So brother, all of a sudden you just a deal, Mr. Brother. I mean, I
Me
don't
know
like
say
nobody else, brother. I mean, the same you take give her money for your bike, you know. Remember that, you know.
My youth, no
Same
say
youth,
so,
you know.
man. Remember, you know, are your dues that did pay, you know.
Dudes!
What you mean? You're in a business with my
But
sister.
hold on. Oh God, brother. Yo, where's that while ago? So I selling your sister?
I don't sell me, I sell her. But
So
you know, say,
all dudes come from? Where dudes come from in this?
no, but from you talk to one of your family member, them, you know, say, you have to respect your other family member, them too. So you know, say, more you have to do a little transaction.
No,
business.
sir, brother. This one alright. Brother, hear me I say. Me I'm moving now.
Yeah, man, because I don't tell you say from Pinky
It's
gone,
alright.
you know, you're not for there neither too.
No one of them say our jacket in the brother. Your sister them brown,
Bust
you
up
know.
your face.
Your sister them brown in the brother. Your jacket, you know. Hey, Fatty. Hey, fatter than them. You don't want to see me, you know. Fatter than them. Fatter than them. What? Yeah, what going?
What your problem? Where do me yard?
Ah, God, we don't have no problem, man.
You don't know, say me not like your farmer, me not like none of you. Me don't know why you know always.
Listen what I say. Remember, you know. I come in a family. Me hear for them side of the story. I never hear your side.
That don't have nothing to
And
do with
listen,
you.
man, I just get to find out some ways now of your mother.
Oh, it's too late.
It's not
It's
too
a
late.
little too late.
Me just get to find out. But anyway, Pinky, where she there? Come
Nobody can call no Pinky. So me and Pinky and a friend. Me don't know nothing about Pinky.
Yeah, but you not a friend, but you not a sister, you not blood.
Me and Pinky is no sister. I don't have a sister. You understand?
I want to see baby, man.
I don't have no family. I'm an orphan. You understand?
What do you mean you're an orphan?
I don't have nobody but me and my man. Nobody else. So see if you come ask me something about my man, fine. Nothing about Pinky, nothing about family. And furthermore, when time you look at baby the born and he want to take care of you, run gone.
I don't run gone. I hustle, but nothing never really go on.
Oh, so something going now?
Yeah, me a work, you know, man. So that's why I want to take care of you.
Left from here.
Left from here?
One up on your leg, want to go look for Pinky. You don't know, see up at Chinese Pinky at work.
But that Chinese they will love there with the work of them.
It doesn't matter, you know, me don't know if I'm there with Pinky, you know, my business. And Pinky, I try making little money to mine in Pitney, because you never in the picture.
I feel good enough, because none of you all want to leave me away. Pinky, you are your mother, all want to leave me away.
I know, me and my mother and Pinky are the same thing.
Yo, me I go for Leng wine.
Go on, left from place. You look like a Chinese to you.
Hotter than them, and I feel to deal with someone. That's nothing, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Talking now. Where you say I go now?
Where you know say you're somebody? Who tell us say you're somebody?
You don't have to know that, man. Yo, you see that Chinese boy there? I don't like people disrespect me, you know. Because you come in the shop, come talk to you, why you make man disrespect me? You make Chinese boy, you come disrespect me.
If you disrespect, because you're too enough. Father, what kind of cross is this? Don't spin me roll. What kind of cross is this?
No, come find out to me out there. Where you there now? Where you live now? Because you don't live up a yard again, you know. But just check your brother, you know. You say you're up there, so I know why you tell me say up there, you know. Where you there now?
Me don't want my friend yard.
A man yard you there. But don't know friend yard.
What kind of cross is this for me, Father God? Where you come here to watch me? I watch you come here to watch me.
You ever see me come here?
Let me tell you something. You never there before fish have, you know. So why you want to come run in now?
I work you now. That me I tell you. I want to take care of me youth now.
I know you want to take care of him.
Yes,
look
I
at
you
you.
now.
Take a good look for yourself. I know you want to take care of Shav. Look how you look nice. I'm not even 5,000 you can't send come give me for Shav. You know see your work list.
Work list? I work list I call it. Who went on a man now work? Me need a work. Me a work now. Some want to see you now.
You want to see him?
You notice me never forward him, me need a work. Me a work now.
Who you want to see?
I want to see the baby. Yo.
Me say, if me ever find out who tell say, I ask for me there, you know, go nice.
Man. Give baby this, you know, because you're a joke, you know. Give you this, you know. Start out something for you, you know. Which one you say there?
Take back your money. Take it back. Take back your money. Take back that.
Yo, no, I'm not take back the money. I'm not take back the money.
If I know 200,000, me no want
this.
What
do you mean? I don't know 200,000. That me have right now. I just get paid on that me have.
Listen to me. Shav there up on my mother right now.
You know up there. You know up there. Your brother tell me say, you know up there neither. Me go up there, you baby not up there. Where baby there? You need to tell me where baby there. Because if the baby last me, if you know.
You know, so me feel like you're silently mad.
Where silently mad?
Your hand mine, you know.
Yo, me not busy what you want to say now.
What the matter no me?
Can you make Chinese boy disrespect me now?
If this is that this 100, 200, 300 times, 1 million times is that this yo.
You make Chinese boy come disrespect me. Eh? I want to see me out, man. Matter of fact, yo, I'm moving up. Yo, listen to me, I say, hey, I know some money have, you know. And money have they live, you know, with me youth,
I don't live no money. You want me to prove it to you?
Prove it.
You want me to prove it? Alright, come on, can you take this thing to Joe? Come on.
Alright, go on now. Let me see. Let me see.
Auntie Novi want, man. Hello, Auntie Novi. Auntie Novi, from this morning you call me, right? And me I tell you, why me I talk to you so slow? Me I feel talk to you slow for you understand what me I say. I have a visitor in my house. Me can't leave my yard with visitor in my house to come up a your yard. And to know if you just understand what me I say, no man, me have valuable things in my house. You get what me I say? So me leaving a visitor here to come up a your yard, that don't make sense. And to know if you cannot wait till the visitor gone, you just have to get somebody else to come up there. Me can't leave me yard right now. And you know, I first you ask me to do something, and me I tell you no, you know. So I must one reason. And you know, yeah. I'm sorry about that, Auntie Novi. I am very sorry, but me just can't come. Me can't go make it. Auntie Novi, what you say, you pay me? Then Auntie Novi, me can never say that earlier. I never know some money involved. So how much we are talking about? So Auntie Novi, me no can't come up there for a week, man. No worry yourself, man, Auntie Novi. I got you covered. Me gonna come, man. But guess what me gonna do? Me go have to write one letter, put on the bed. That's me guess feel so me I spend 1 month, but you know I 1 week me I spend. Alright, me I come. Me soon come.
What can I do this time?
Okay, so open the door now. We are lock up in a for with me. Now you lock up in a with me, man.
Yo.
What is that?
So how are your kitchen there?
My friends are gone for a month, so I have to run off the place.
I don't see this. So this sound right, look like a man and writing, sir.
Where you come for do? You come for worry about man? Where
so
really come for do?
So where baby there? Where baby? I don't see no baby. Where baby there?
I never tell you say shop there so with me, you know.
So where
Me tell you say yes so me a stay. Now come my mother baby there.
Yo. So I'm not seeing no picture in there. You know for your picture in there?
Now catch a people yard.
Oh boy, it's not hot though.
What you do? What you do? Where you take a shirt for? A shop you come and see her and me.
You will come and come see differently than shop.
Hello. No bother with the dirty style, you know. No bother with the dirty style. Because I come down and Mr. Leng walk out embarrass me. Don't do it.
Remember say I'm a baby mother, you know? So me can't do anything. You know what?
Come go on before me take this and lick in it. Come out of my
Come
house.
out of that,
Come out of my house.
I'm tired, man. Where you going, sir?
Hey, me don't know what kind of
Come
cross
here,
is this
come here,
from
let me
me, Father
talk to you.
God. Don't touch me.
Yes,
Take,
sir.
take your hand off of me.
You know you're my baby mother, man. You're empty.
You know why me left?
Why?
You really want to know why me left? Say you don't know why me left.
You don't see reason, you know, must can't forgive people. Why me I leave?
Forgive her one, but you come here so now. You don't even have no sympathy for me or nothing at all. You come here so I take off shirt. And me you want her, Shabby want to see.
No, it's fun, man. I tell you something hot, you know, so, yo, you know, so hot, man. Yeah, go on, sir.
Imagine, you just left me on my face just like that.
Tell her, say, yo, money thing they have beat me, man. And I did kind of guilty one way, yo. You know, so I couldn't take care of him, you know.
And I say you leave him on my face.
And I say leave on my face, but I just, and to your mother again, Miss Grace, a disgrace. You understand? And then now your brother, for my face, did rate me, hate me.
You and Miss Grace love so much. I disgrace you.
Miss
It's a lie.
Miss Grace don't love me, man. Miss Grace don't love me. I tell her that Miss Grace lock down on my face. And you know too. If you rate a son-in-law, you can't lock down on your face. Anyway, you know for that. The tattoo is still nice though. Come here.
I can't believe
Come
you
here.
just I can't believe you just come back
Stop
in my
it,
life
man.
you come cause problem.
What are that, man?
So me ask you one question now.
Hmm?
Now where you plan to stay?
You know what I say, look how some about the roof and leak. Some of them we could have go and brace us, you know.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
No, you need to go back in our house with a leak. You need to go back in our house with a leak.
What's a bumper for me? What's a bumper for me?
Sure, I just say I always come with your style. I mean, I like the style, you
You
know.
know that, man. You know someone love you like that, man. You know that already, man. School, man. I don't care. You know, so you know to go answer.
Come out of my house, dirty dog. Dead dog, come out of my house. Because I
Jesus.
see what you try for the net. You know say I love you, you know. You want me job back to you. Come out of my house before I bust in.
Dead dog.
Come out of my house. Oh, you mean dead dog? Come out of my house.
No, so you can't stand me so
Janko, come out of my house. Get up. Come out of my house. Go on.
You
Go
really
on.
leave me so be?
Go on now.
Eh?
Come out of my house. Go on. Nonsense.
It's alright. I can't something for you tomorrow, yeah?
Can you something for you?
I
You
can't
can't
take-
bribe me, go bribe a girl them. Go
Alright.
on, where you go?
I know where you know. I'm going to look for you. I look for you, baby, yeah?
I move, me I go move from here, so.
We are one family, you know. So, later.
Can't bother with Mr. Ling Ling. Why man, it take so long to give me money? If me not sweep up, you won't sweep up it.
Baby. What's up?
No, sir, I have to do a thing this. Why are you?
What do you mean what me do? And my family live here, sir. How would you drink beer?
Where you go with big bag?
No, I wanna. Hey, somebody ask me them a full question. My family no live here, man. Now you have something for there. So me carry KFC here, you know. What me do now?
Where you go?
No, you know, so. Now you say you're there. Now you see my son there.
Also your pass.
Thinking, nobody with that, man. Do me a beg, man. Nobody with that.
I want to see where they go. Because I not move from here, so see I turn that
Pinky,
road,
put-
I not move.
Carry the KFC before you get cold.
I might take it dash away.
Thinking nobody with that, man.
What kind of cross? What kind of cross? I might take your music and lick you with it. What kind of
Thinking
cross is
about
this
that,
from
man.
me, Father
Sure.
God?
Show, man. Come on, man. You can't have things then, man. I must have my place, man. Cheese and peace. Look at my boy. Oh, let me put it back. Look at my boy. Oh, my. Hey. Eh? No, I'm not to wake him. You can't put on this. Put on this. You have to wake him. Look at my boy. Hey. I said tired. Eh? I said tired boy. Come on, dada now. No, man. I can't sleep. Me and you over easy. I can't sleep for full time now. When you wake up, you see father. Alright, man. Face kind of warm, man. Like not to get AC put in.
I say expect to leave.
You just a thing too hard. What you just paper, man?
I said, don't touch me. I say expect to leave. Carry a big dirty bag coming after go moving.
Go eat chicken. Go eat chicken and enjoy yourself.
Imagine.
Watch out. Never go in the same shot. Same color shot. You work like it. No, so we don't forward.
Don't wake him.
Yeah?
Don't wake him. Because you never there before, so don't wake him. Nonsense. Imagine my friend take me up and put me in a sun. And you want to go moving. That don't look right, Jay.
No, man. Watch out now. Me and your friend can stay here. No big deal. See when she change, you go out, that's all.
And where you sleep?
Which part she sleep? Which side of the bed she sleep?
Everywhere. On top of me too.
Oh! You're lucky.
But that's not right. Right now she gone for 1 month.
Then that not long. You second long, probably can be like one next room around so by the time come back. Come remember some down at D&G now. And my virgin have a big contract when say he will give me some plumbing work. So we can build on something around there. Alright, man. It's just that if she sleep here, so maybe sleep here.
Side of who?
Eh?
Side of who?
Then you know go sleep here, so when baby there and the baby sleep here, so.
Just cool, man. You sleep here, so and the baby sleep side of you, and me sleep over here, so and she sleep over there, so. You're too hot.
Like
you're very disrespectful, you're too hot. You can't come in a woman's place where you want to go sleep on the woman's bed.
Hold on. So why you don't want to sleep here and she sleep here? You're going to make me get serious now. That no look good. Why you don't want to sleep there, sir? And she sleep there, sir. After I say, me would have sleep there, sir. You sleep there, sir. And then baby sleep there, sir. Why?
You know, so I've been asked Father God what me doing in my life.
You don't do God nothing, man.
I've been asking what me doing.
So your baby father come back and I want my family.
Right now, me not think you're a baby father. You look like a sperm donor. Because I don't know what is for now.
Sperm donor?
What you did that do for
you? You know some boy favor me. Look how my youth favor me. Look how my youth favor me. Look how me just nice see him shot in my youth.
God, I got twist your mouth. Favor who? You?
Yeah, I think it's easy.
Let go off of my hand. Alright, here what?
Yeah.
I don't want to forget disrespectful to you. Because I'm not like you. Only one night I can stay. That's it.
Yay! That sounds good. One night must be. Right? After that, you know, step outside my bag. But you want to know for that. Go eat something.
I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music. Blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
Oh, so bright. Girl, let me so far.
What do you mean by what me a lick so far?
Girl, not do that. Not do that. No papa can for me. You're bright.
What make your place look so?
Girl.
All the pillowcase, come on, 5 pillow, a book left, that's how I'm... Girl, get up, man, get up.
Look for me. Look for me.
Hello.
You must be mad. Get up where you must be mad. You can't come in here deal with. Get up where. Look for me, girl. Look for me right now. Girl, right now, if you tell the truth, me do in a good mood. I'm stressed right out. Here? So just... mind how you approach me.
So cheers.
And you place me there, but just mind how you approach me. Because I just stuck up my bag and just left your place. Anyways, you see how Marika deal with me if you say me and her a friend? Oh, me feel like say me and Marika was so close and she disappoint me like this and put me up. But I see sometime
Hello.
Like no like you know.
Listen to me now. Me come here talk about my place and you tell me about Marika this, Marika that, and me place me a talk about.
Tia, From your see place look so dirty and ragged. You know, say I stress there look at me head. Right now, me have bigger things to talk to you about, so just come.
Hello.
See the
And I'm stress and nasty.
Tia, come here, so. Can you see today? Me more join church. Just come here, so me tell her something. Come now. Me put over here, but like
Suppose me they come now with one visit.
I just that with the after, isn't it? Just, I beg you 3,000. Come here, so now, my friend. Me have seen if you talk to you about very, very important. Come here, so.
Me I talk about my place first. Suppose me they come now with somebody.
Lord God, man, Tia, stop talk about place and me soon get up onto the place. Come here, so now me have bigger things to talk about. For you hear me so urge, me have bigger things to talk about. Sit down right there, so. So you don't know, say, for me baby father, come down at my workplace, disrespect me in front of Mr. Leng Leng Wa. And guess what? Him no fi come round me, you know. Because about 1 year now, me not see that man. He never do nothing for shove. He no give shove nothing at all. So me want to know what him a do back here so in my life he come possess me. Instead of me have to spin me roll and I see what kind of cross is this. But me want to say to you now, say, me want to know who tell him say I've done a Mr. Leng Leng want me a work.
So girl, you don't know who tell him. Is either your sister or America. Come
You're
on,
right.
think.
Yes, you're right. Watch me and them.
Girl, then other thing about your brain for?
Girl, me a bust break. The boy can link me. I take off shirt. Me a feel say, who you can look for? Me or Shav? I'll bump you and my bust in my face. Me when you do them something, them I used to them something they a bust bump in a man's face.
But in bright though.
Come and take off shirt. Look how much girl me have to take up one long piece of sin and knock him out, shove him out the door into the outer door. Don't be afraid, talk it out.
In very
Very outside,
in presumptuous.
Very,
No,
very,
sir.
very, very demure. Girl, I'm very appreciative of how you deal with me. Because you never did have to put me up, you know. You never did have to put me up. But I can't believe that some America do me. But anyways, give me a call because I have to find out who tell me man say I done this or me did this. So give me a call, I call America.
Girl, that's what friends are for.
Yeah.
You hear me tell you? So that's not nothing. That's not nothing, girl. Make a call. Cause this not sound safe. Alright, go and make a phone call. Me I use the bathroom.
Yeah. Hello? America? Yeah, me come now, me dey down at here. Me have something to tell you. Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, come in. The door open.
I want to see me.
Mm-hmm.
I want some make I go on some.
Me not go on now. You can't sit down, man.
Me a move so like a hypocrite. So make you have fun puff like bonfire so what do you?
Alright. Alright. Me no want to say are you or Alia. Tell me man say shut up, me even know what me ask me man for. I know me man. Tell me baby father say me a walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa. I'll give him direction. Say the man come down they go embarrass me right now. Me feel like more and ball. The man come and go
Yeah.
me not say are you or my sister. But me a ask you say if you tell me baby father say me walk down a Mr. Leng Leng Wa.
So that's a really comfortable. If you ask me if I'm me tell a baby father, I'm not gonna say a baby father.
So me a ask you
So
say
what happened to him,
if you tell him.
girl, me not see a baby father. I'm not tell a baby father no. Don't mix me. Me and your friend and mother never do that. I mean, no say boy than you feel no.
Never weekend say no. Can you see how Tia take me up and put me up in a so, and you as my friend no care me and say you put me up. Eh?
When me go put you?
What you mean by where you fi put me? You mad? You mad? You're crazy, girl. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're mad. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Come on for me now.
How you look, sir?
How? How?
I don't know, I just have one look by your face, like, and I expect my face to look so after what happened. Girl, like seriously? No, like seriously, Marika? So where you vex with me now? I'm not vex with you or not in a tear, but I just feel a way if you know I say, it will away a friend, right? And Pinky come to me and Pinky say, Marika, no, someone to stay. And I say, Pinky, you know, say you can't come to my yard because everything I go through the bank and something. You know, say me not have no way. And I like say me there yard when you can't come there. You understand? A road me must live upon and you know that too. And the girl begs with me and want to fight me just because of that. You know, must expect me to feel away. And you come in there with you and I grab up and sitting. I part me a try party now. And I grab me a grab up. Me just a try party now. But you know so deep in the fight that you don't realize that me just a party now. Listen to me now. You think me no feel hurt? You think me no feel hurt? That's Pinky. When me call my friend, you know, me must say me and her spirit no mesh. You know? I know. Alright, me give her a chance and me let her in a me little tabernacle. Right? 1 week me go find her. And this girl care man. Care what? What you say? I must prank her, prank me. Where come already? Listen to me. The girl care man. Come, if you ever see. She care man and she can ever keep a good place, you know. Cause the place, when we come back, you know, want to see all the place and tidy and stay in America. I lie. And on top of that, you know, want to see the sheet or the little white sitting, you know me at all. Palmy sheet. Right now, I done the Pinky. Me? Not going good. Yeah. Me did a warn you, but you did a listen. You never did a take heed. You're lucky. You know, say because I kind of bad mind to make all of this happen. Oh, bad mind? If me did bad mind, I would make she come in my house. Well, that's true. So but me friend me know say you put Pinky in a fear house and Pinky can't agree. Me just see that help out a situation. The girl no live no way. I don't understand. If I didn't, you would have do the same for you. I know. Well, that's what friends are for anyway. So, where should they know? She gotta work. I gotta work anytime I feel like. You gotta work anytime you feel like? Then wait there. Pop to work give me. So, you gotta work anytime you feel like. And what cause that? You and the boss in some dealings or something? No, sir, me and the boss in nothing. You don't know. Sometimes. You don't know. The boss like me like that, you know? And can reason with me or something, so I just do what I want to do. Take advantage of things. That's what we Jamaicans do. You know if you do it though. I can't tell you. If you learn to appreciate the little work. Look how long you this song here. Listen, me appreciate the work. If me never appreciate it, I left you. But me appreciate the work. Alright. Calm down. Me you have nothing. Good. Anyways, how are you? Where you just up go today? You know what I say? I want guy when I meet other day. Me I meet him up on the road. Me did meet him other day, like we go for one look at date and something. And he see him Pinky. Call me phone. I make him an a fig way. I would just meet up, you know.
Oh, cross. Yeah, me tell you say that little girl, they're crossy.
And how you know find weird? Oh, I'm gonna work. Master God.
Okay. Me just tired of that little girl. Me did tell you, you know. I used to just it to go fi ask me if you put her up, you know. You want next one too, you know.
No want she go somewhere. Me not have nowhere can put her. You are next option. So what you want me to do?
Me say from me put up a girl, they come like a crosses in my life. I don't understand that.
I understand. Yeah, so you know good.
And me will never forgive her if a man come in my house
But she
from
out
my
her.
bed. When me buy, you know, and me a Pinky buy, you know, and me buy, you know.
She out of this so it rough.
Right
I kick
now.
him out the same time as me here. I'm sitting there out than this. Anyway, me have to go away, you know. I can't turn over here so whole day. And see man I text me on WhatsApp day. So I must meet him now. So guess what?
Try make sure you call me.
I'll call her later.
Man. Yeah, get fat and run up door.
Thank you.
Hello? Which part today?
You know, so I'm up on my chill spot and I think I introduce you to up here because up here is so cool and nice. Yeah, hold on, wait.
Marika have man. No, sir, sign this. Marika plan and me not have no man. You know, kind of thing. No, sir. Pay hide and seek business cause I know me not know about that the man day.
What a dirty girl. Hello? Yeah. Just come straight up on the road. Yeah, then I take a right turn and come straight up on the hill. You see me? Alright.
Hey, Wagwan, you can get the hug? Oh my goodness. It's so special I get the hug. So this is your place?
Yeah. I have a vibes, I have a buzz, you know?
Yes, no. What's long? Wow, that feels good. Trust me, you see, since me I talk like reason, I feel one different kind of sensation in my head. Sometimes I wonder if I'm mad, I'm mad or what. Like, if you try to control my brain, you know what I mean? But I never like how which day me I talk and a girl will just come face you.
Pinky.
Mm.
I'm a friend, I'm not wanna.
Are you a good friend like that?
No. Not anymore because we fight.
No. You mean fight?
Because me tell her so I have nowhere to put her. So she be exposed that I want to fight me, so I fight her.
It sounds good at all, but I just don't like her energy. I'm not rate her like that and so forth. You know what I mean? Because in them time you have to work with energy with people. You know?
I understand.
So how are you different though?
I'm great.
Apart from all them mishaps stuff, obviously. You know what I mean? But I appreciate the fact that you spend the time to come with me chill and you camp here, chill spot. What a place nice, right? You know, cool and nice. Breeze just take your time and blow.
Anyway, so we did a talk other day and you say your relationship complicated, so I understand where did that talk about.
Why you stress about that? You don't have to stress about that. That's not something important. Yeah. Right now, we need to just get to know each other, me and you. You talk about all the elements that are more important. It's like you mix Milo tea and you go over there to go chop wood. That don't make no sense. You know what I mean? So we have to just decide what we are doing. Because we're not going to jump in your life and go on like more and say, you have a man, you're nobody, I look you, this and that because you're beautiful. A lot of guys are going to say all these nice things and blow whistle and something there. Not true? Same thing with me. A lot of girls are going to do the same thing. But at the end of the day, you know, if you show me, say you're my number one, you know what I mean? Cut off all ties. That's why I say complicated. Because, you know, something that go on where, you know, complicated. But nothing for you to worry about.
You sure?
Yeah, me say me sure.
Make sure. So, what are your plans for the day? Wow.
I don't know, I can't show me where you live too fast. Alright, no. What you can do is just understand say this is relationship. This is a relationship we're gonna start. You understand me I say? Alright, you wanna start a relationship? That's the first question I should ask you.
Yes.
Yes? Alright, so make us take it from there then. You know what I mean? And just enjoy the moment and so forth. And appreciate this vibe. Anything we work with, you know. My phone not ring. One second here. Yeah, what going? Hey, you're back in that place. Okay, what going? Yeah, my respect, man. Alright. So basically then, they're upon a nice. But they are work right now. But it basically how you want to chat to me now? Alright. I'll just meet me down for close to 4 yards or something. Yeah man. Alright? And we can hold a reason. Come have some work for doing that day. Yeah man, cool. Respect. Baby, tell something. Nobody make me business. Sometimes people want to just know what I want, they can't chat what I want, and people chat too much, and people energy will break down for a thing. You know, that's how the real life situation go. You mean understand me? Do what? Nobody set a face like that, man. If me is serious, me is serious. Alright? So nobody look for me like me, you know, I mean, as I say, I'm going to explain it right beside me. I couldn't never take the card, you know. Not true? I couldn't tell the say somebody else, not true? So yeah, that me I talk about. But here I go, my brethren, you just come down and I'm saying what a reason. You know what I mean? I'm not going to say me a cut with date. I'm going to say.
We never can have a, we never can meet up and spend quality time together.
You know why?
We always have to cut it short.
But you know why?
Why?
When it start good, it start good. Nothing good not come easy, you know. So if me and you just there, so a reason and certain things just go on so smooth, I'm not going to want it. You know what I mean?
Well, alright.
Imagine people put on money on the ground and walk the feet. You know how I say people put on money on the ground? It's important, not true? Yeah. So what's important, people go, you know, prize up here and all them something. So I'm glad for have this moment with you. You know what I mean? It's so special. Whoa. Alright. I definitely want to spend some quality time. So I'm going to link up my version and things. So where are you going now?
I don't know. I go.
You go home?
I go up on the road.
Call me and reach you. Here and we talk.
Yeah.
I just, no. Text me first and then you call him. That's one alright?
Alright, anything.
Alright, so later then. Yeah? Well, go on, bro. We are here, bro.
I'm there, man.
Long time I see you.
Brother, for your show, me have to just, respond to your call.
You know, I'm back in the place, brother, man.
Good to see you, brother. I tell you.
You can't turn them place, brother.
I tell you, man.
Never see a man turn thing in your own place, man.
Brother, I tell you, man. The system is the system, because things start look up for me too, because I have some little thing I deal with. What? You working now?
Yeah, I work at DNG now.
DNG?
Yeah,
see, you're good then. You're good then, man. Things that look up.
Money I make now.
I mean, back in the
one
place.
time, I go on now.
I real talk,
You
brother.
go on now, man, father, man. Because right now, that's why I say, I'm a big mother now, I try to link up back with her and things, but I can set up one way now.
Okay. Figure say you have a youth for three,
Yeah, man, I say, man, I take care of my youth, man.
I mean, man.
Man, never left for youth out,
Man.
Yeah, man.
That's the way to go, brother.
Never.
I see him to me right now, I try to look to you, because I'm tired of them, I say, I'm a gelding and them something.
Look
You
to
know what I
youth.
mean? Yeah, man, two youth, man. One youth and a youth, one pit and a pit, I have a pit, and him have to go for stranger yard and neighbor yard, go ramp. Them things are nice, brother. You have one pit.
A long time, I get still, if you get, still.
Real talk, man, but you don't bother the girl in talks. You must something like them talk from school days, man. What I'm telling you, man.
But you what I say? Why? As a youth, I don't know when I really know what people for chat to,
A real talk.
The thing about them, one way, brother, because I can't see youth, I know that I bother them, but you see it bother me, bro. Right now, come and make a mistake.
So make you can't see you. You understand?
Hold on, I tell you, say, I can't see youth. You be a mother go on a weird bridging and you see, be a vibes and something, man. That's me, I feel, say, you better man deal with your sister.
Oh, your sister?
Sister, give me a better vibe. Yeah, sister, you see me?
Sometimes, alright. You see, sometimes I say, like you meet a girl and then you go home to them family and meet and the sister, you feel like, say, boy, I sister you for David.
The sister deal me better, man.
You deal with the sister then, brother?
Adapt me for the,
Yeah, man, just take your time and work your way in.
Adapt me for the,
yeah, man.
No, but I started already,
You started?
Already, man. But that's how you go. But I have to calm. And make sure.
See, a reason we have to know, sir.
Make sure that she up to you first.
Yeah, you have to make sure.
Adapt me the fun, man. But, so, let me come over now.
As I say, like me have some little contract thing. As I tell you before, if the DNG thing not work out, you can't come link me, brother, because I have one thing on me run. I try to get my brother to come deal with some things.
What you say? What you say want to do?
We deal with, it's a contract for deal with one house and now. And
build up house and
build up one place, one community.
Brother, I'm a to you, brother.
Yeah, let me tell you, because we need people we can trust, brother.
We can build steel bridging and them things, brother. That's it. Yeah.
You remember Dan Poe?
Dan Pong.
Dan Poe. Dan Pong, you know. Dan Poe. Dan Poe back in the, he used to run a freeway lane there, so. Drive all kind of things and,
Oh, Mr. Stacy, brother.
Yeah, man, him same man, brother.
Oh, yeah, me know him, man.
Dan Poe. It's like, I him know your brother, man, life and things that look up a way where he forward back now and say, he want to help the community, building the community and, for the people and I said, that sound good. I just want to give some serious money. So I said to myself, say, all right, what you do with him? Say, yo, you want people who can trust, who can have certain things and, put it in control. Because he don't really like Philip on the scene. He's a brother what?
You know me already.
Exactly.
You know me already. Because you see over the end here now, make a money still no, but see over time thing, I have to really do to make money.
Exactly.
So sometimes I don't know that I want some family time.
Ah,
I don't know.
exactly.
I'm a mother for go back. I don't know. So how you reckon was the phone thing set?
Brother, we work as because we contract business with you, so we are set it for them. We go home to people, we can come back and
every evening.
Every evening, brother. You understand? And as I say, you're a brains youth. You're smart, so you know how to make people
get. Let me tell you something. Steel work, carpenter work, plumbing work, tiling work, but everything me do.
Yeah, I know that, but which one is major?
Which one is major?
Yeah, because you know. You see, last time I trust somebody who can do that, everything, everything get jokes. Because in brain, focus on one and all them something there. You understand me? I say tile it, mash up and, you know what I mean? Yeah, things now flush. Man come on and say load and tile it and,
You don't understand it right, man.
Yeah, tell you, brother, so, which one is major, you know?
Which one is major, you know, somebody say electrician.
Electrician. Current.
Current.
Alright, make it current.
Current.
Alright. There was a current at the last part though.
Yeah, man.
I know the first part.
No, what's
you can lead the pipe them and then
some would get another area.
No, right, I know. So,
but hold on. You know say I forget. Sometimes I remember. A plumbing.
A plumbing?
Yeah. A plumbing man, a plumbing major, man. You just have me, man. Sometimes, boy, nah, remember.
Nah, alright, don't worry yourself, man. When that time come, we shout. Yo,
Alright.
where's you touch the road?
You may touch the road, man.
Alright.
So we are do?
Same number you have?
Same number, man.
Same, alright.
Come in, man.
Yeah, yo. Confirm, because I don't want you go left. And you go say, wait.
Yeah, man.
Just punch it back in. Because I say me there, I'm a brother, I'm going to come link me because I'm talk some madness.
Do the right thing, man. Come in, man.
Hold on now. Forget me till the party. My brother now, the reason I need money now, because him now feel say me a scam him. Me tell him about the work and
say. You are no scammer.
Exactly.
And we play football in the community.
Brother, him say me a scam. He come on.
Brother,
He come on me woman, he come on me yard and I come check.
Your one brother.
My one brother and I bad up my one and sitting. I use paintbrush off a woman like you want to joke in the eye.
That's why they say family no in your downfall, you know, go down.
Brother, me I tell you. My one have to use the broom and whap him and whap off him.
Yo, listen me I say no man, but hear me I say. Me I'm moving up, brother. Because I like where I'm dealing with. But remember, you know.
Up, brother.
Plumbing, me major, you know.
Plumbing.
I'm do steel work, captain work, every...
Alright, yeah man.
You know where you go?
Yeah man.
I don't have to say party. Just link me up.
Yeah man.
So, what's up to the road now? Yeah, tell you, man. You don't go on the road now, because I want to go mash up or something. Yeah, when you come, me collect it, because... Alright, and... Hold on, fatter than them. Look here now. Give me a second. Please, do me a beggar. Do me a beggar. Me not really,
with me?
look here now. I want to apologize. Because you see how me that treat you. I'm sorry. Me realize now say you are the real one. Can you see how I'm to the dog? Go on, man. That's why I just say a fun of time a while ago. But look, hear me I say. I just realize say I want a real one. Them. You see to how your mother-in-law deal with me. And to how your sister deal with me. I know say you don't deal with me, so.
Let me ask you a question. Do I have a mother? Do I have a sister?
Boy, that's true.
Exactly.
You want them?
Me look like me hungry?
No,
you think me a sweet girl?
Me know. Look here, but me just tell you say you're the real one. So anything I do for you.
Me don't want nothing. Anything me want, me ask my man or me do it myself. You understand?
So you just tell me about your man every second. Me not ask about him. Are you
I just show you say I don't need to rely on anyone else but me, my man, yes. And Father God, nobody else. You understand?
Alright. So you couldn't talk to your sister from see baby?
Yeah.
Please. I'm sorry about what.
You know, the last time me check, me tell her was part she work, right? Why you not go on her workplace?
I go up there, man, but the China boy around me.
Oh, sir, your customer you make Chinese run you. You don't understand? You go in there, go buy something, you must see her. And why you afraid to spend money?
I don't really want to go up down on a style, I just want to see you. So I go in there and ask the cashier if I can see her. And the cashier call the Chinaman instead, and the Chinaman run me.
Oh, look, you know my problem that. Where you tap me for? That you tap me for?
Better than them, I beg you, do man, help me out, man. Because I don't really want to get myself in a trouble. Because I see China come anger me like say, yo, man, nobody. And I don't really want to I don't want to do your sister now. Because I need to see me out, yo. I don't want to get myself in a problem better than them. Do me a beg, help me out, man. Do.
Alright, listen
I want
to
to
me.
see you out, man.
Listen to me.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I'm not going to see my sister and talk to my sister. Understand? They say if my sister come to me or come over my yard one day because she ever they come on my yard, I will tell this girl to come on my yard, she ever they come on my yard. They say if you come there, then we suggest something. Might be me suggest something to her about it.
Oh.
I not make no promises if I don't like no now. You understand?
But better than them, I tell you, say you're best one, you know, you're best. Yo.
Too late. Look more. I'm done with this.
See you tired.
Hello.
Ah, Jesus.
Yeah, Lord Jesus. What you tell me, baby father, say I don't have Mr. Leng want me at work?
So when me dey work, no Leng wa.
If why you tell him?
Your baby father come and me do away in a morning, come a torment me soul And you won't leave, so me have to tell him where you work. I want a problem.
Me and your friend.
No, you pick nipper.
Me and your friend.
Alright, if me
Which
and
pinniper? Where?
If
Me
me
and your friend.
and a friend, why you pick nipper I do on me
You
yard?
should have run him, you should have dashed dirty water upon him. I don't care. Don't tell him what me there.
You want your pick nipper go start out phone a little.
Don't tell him what me there too out of there. See, you make me go war off the girl like call the girl on me yard and war him off.
Which girl?
In America.
So America have to do with me.
America, your man there.
Same thing
My
again.
friend, and your man there.
Listen me.
Say have something to do with you.
Listen me. This America business nah nothing to do with me. And whether I want to take my man or not, when me go yard, me deal with my man. You understand? So
You
me
still
know
say
if
your
I
man.
lie.
You still say your man can come
Tell
like
me
young
what?
girl in your face.
Some more. So Lande, you pick him for a breed how much ears and gone.
No, you am not in my face.
If you-
Because me I run him like a dog.
If
You don't run
never
never.
hear me, you would breed in a first
Girl,
place.
I just want him to tell you, say, keep my name from out your mouth.
And
And the next time I
And
call
that.
back my name to my baby father,
And that.
me and you gonna have you. Girl, bye. Bye, girl.
What happened?
And where you come from?
What kind of question that?
Me need to know where you come from, because me do so much things.
Listen me. You know, reach so far. You don't have that authorization there if you ask me them the question there. Me a big woman. Yes, me.
So you can't come with attitude now. What you feel like today? You feel like a tonight a problem night again? Every
Listen
time
me, man. Right now, my brain is clouded right now. You see me? My brain clouded. So nobody come put. No, listen me, man. So you don't have them. You don't have no right to come and go ask me them question there. You know. None at all. No ask me nothing right now because me dey hear some things where me can't put one and one together and make two. Instead of me get two, me I get four. You understand?
So what you talking about now?
Me ask you a question the other day, you know. And you tell me no, you know.
And what?
I know everywhere me go, people look for me and I laugh, you know. And then my sister come to me with the same argument again. And I don't know if I trust you or if I trust my sister, because my sister not tell such a big lie.
Let me tell you something, man. You and your sister need to get back to his partner one day. Uno never attack, uno never agree, because I don't know this girl from me attack.
That's the point.
And when stay in one zone where it was happy for me and happy for you, you realize, hold on, you realize that since your sister come about, then we have a problem. Why you make your sister draw you out?
That's not my point. The point is, me and my sister not up on a good level, right? Why my sister gonna tell me such a big lie if you try to get me and you?
Because she want to mash up your life and your sister not now going for she.
Me even, what she tell me say girl name? She tell me say you and this girl name. She even got to extend and tell me say I want her friend. I mean, know my sister loyal to her friend, and my sister not gonna tell such a big lie to her friend, from her friend them. So me, you need to get down to this tonight, else through me door.
Through which door you talking about?
This a door, yeah.
Why you keep on going like say every time me talk and have an argument at a time for me come out? Eh?
Listen to me.
Why you keep on do that?
Listen to me, public.
Me feel listen to you.
Listen, me loyal to you, know. But it seems like you're not loyal.
Me loyal to you.
Loyal where? And me I
this-
hear every time me go on road, I see these people. They look for me and I laugh like say, yeah, you have me on road as some butterfoot girl.
Me have you around, but I'm gonna tell you this. Patty, me I come from far. It's always me and you apart. But you don't realize say you start get so busy since you start work on a ling law.
Oh, so true. Me start work done there.
Listen what me I say.
Listen me.
That cause us to not have it together. You know, that together is how we used to have. We don't have it no more.
Oh,
but that
so
not say. Me as I said to you, say, you need to look on this.
No, so true we not have that togetherness anymore. You gone out the door, through me door. You see, since you gone out of the relationship, you go through me door.
Which through
Tonight,
door?
tonight.
Me nah go through no door.
Listen me, no matter when me get up, you know. Cause you know if me get up, you know, I go pretty. So me I tell you the final time through me door. Through me door, me done. Over. Finish. Just go through me door, no man, it done, man.
I see you take it. Alright, watch where I go on.
What we go on?
Me have
Yeah,
a...
she done take back then. I mean, buy them slippers there, you know. Watch ya.
I say you want it? Give me back my sheet. Tattoo.
No,
Give
no,
me
no,
back my
man,
sheet,
watch
tattoo.
ya.
Give me back my sheet.
One with it.
And that.
Go along with it.
Me now come back here, so.
Me can't buy it. You should have
Me now
rock
come
your
back in your place. That me I tell you.
You have to come back. Go along with it. If you say me can't buy shit.
You subscribe yet?